everybody, and welcome back. I'm going to be finishing off the Group 1 section, and this is going to be talking about jacking and lifting the vehicle. And the contents are jacking, lifting, the lifting points for a drive-on hoist, a single post hoist, twin post hoist. So this section is going to get into that, and it's going to tell you about the jacking points. And as always, whenever you jack your vehicle up with any of these Panther bodies, if you haven't converted the spring coils and if you still have your airbags, make sure you turn off the switch in the trunk, because if you leave it on, you have a high chance of blowing your bags, and that's another very expensive fix. Whether you take it to the tire shop to get your tire service or you take it to mechanic, hopefully they know to turn off the air suspension, and yeah, that'll save you another great big headache. And it even tells you too, right here, it says push the air suspension service switch to the off position. And if you're using a floor jack or a hoist, this is where it tells you for the front of the vehicle where the locations are where you could lift it. And as always, you want to chock the tires, put jack stands, but to use a floor jack, this is the correct position where the book tells you. And on the rear, it's the same thing. You want to use it in these points right here of the axle. This is right here showing where the frame, on the actual frame part. Very good forming with the book, guys. And if you're lifting the vehicle, this will tell you the lifting points for drive-on hoists. And then it tells you about a twin post hoist. This is a lifting points for a single post hoist. So the arrows, where the arrows are pointing, that's where you will want to make sure you put those lifting points on. And that's it, guys. That does it for this section video on the lifting points for jacking and lifting your town cars. So the next video that we'll go into will be Group 2, and I will be talking about the front end suspension and everything that it involves with that. I think you guys will truly like it. I think it's going to be very interesting, and yeah, it'll help a lot of people out there that want to go home and do it themselves or not really have to look at the shop. I think it would be great information to put out there. So I hope you guys like these videos that I'm going to be putting out. I have 2 volumes to put out for these books, and as you can see, they're very thick. So if you guys are interested in knowing more, then just give me a thumbs up. You guys have a good one.